Today I'm going to walk you through how to change the background color of your blog posts in WordPress. Whether you want a fresh look for your entire blog, boost readability, or just personalize your space online, by the end of this tutorial you'll know exactly how to update your site-wide background color. I'll break it down step by step for both modern block themes and classic themes, so wherever your site stands you'll be covered. Let's get right into it. The way you change the blog post background color depends on which kind of WordPress theme you're using. WordPress has evolved a lot, so your editing experience might look a little different based on your theme. I'll start with the block themes, which use the newer site editor. If you notice Editor under your Appearance menu in the dashboard, that means you're working with a block theme. First things first, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control panel and where all changes start, so make sure you're comfortable navigating here. Now in the sidebar menu on the left, scroll down and click on Appearance, then select Editor. The editor is a super handy tool for customizing your site, and since it's visual, you'll actually see the changes as you make them. Inside the editor, you'll want to look for the Styles panel on the left. Styles is essentially your toolbox for making design tweaks. When you click on Styles, then Colors, you'll see a background option. Think of the background as the canvas for your entire blog. Changing its color sets the mood and strengthens the first impression your visitors get. Here, where you get creative. Use the color picker to choose any shade you like for your blog's background. Whether you're going for crisp white, a calming pastel, or something bold that pops off the page, the color picker gives you full control. And don't worry, as you experiment, you'll see previews immediately. If you're not quite sure which hue to pick, try lighter tones for readability, or use your brand's signature color to make your site stand out. Once you've found a color you're happy with, remember to click Save or Review Changes. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're previewing across different devices. I always recommend checking how your chosen color looks on both mobile and desktop, just to make sure your readers get the best experience no matter where they land. Now, let's talk about classic themes using the customizer. If you see Customize under the Appearance menu, that means you're probably working with a classic theme. The customizer is a bit different from the site editor, but it's still straightforward and powerful. Head back to your WordPress dashboard and click Appearance, then Customize. Once you're in the customizer, look for a section labeled Colors and Backgrounds, or sometimes it might be under General Settings, then Content. Keep in mind, not all themes will display these options exactly the same way, but usually you'll find them with a bit of exploring. Here too, you'll get a color picker to set your preferred background color. Gently drag the slider or enter a hex code for precision. Picture this step as painting the walls of your digital workspace. The color you choose will influence every blog post and reader's impression. If you don't see a background color option, your theme may not allow this particular customization, so you might need to try another theme or use visual CSS tweaks. Ready to lock in the change. Click Publish or Save Changes. Your new background will go live right away, refreshing the vibe of every blog post site-wide. And that's it. You've just learned how to update your blog's background color in WordPress, making your site uniquely yours. Did you run into any hiccups or want recommendations for color choices? Drop your questions below in the comments. I love helping out. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.